is Richard.
And more afternoon, WINTON School. I'm Casie. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Laaaaaaaaaaa, the 20th of May.
Okay, we start the day with Te Kupu or Te Wiki.
This week's word is te o, which is te reo for oyster.
As in kei te pai ngā te o ki ahau. I like oysters.
Do you really like oysters?
No, nobody does.
Okay then. Okay, this term, Wednesday is a library day. Open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns. Is that a good book?
There are librarians ready to help, and it's nice and warm. Remember to leave your shoes at the door. Kia ora.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. That's right, Richard's got the text box. Well, Richard, be careful. This information is very valuable.
School choir news. Any year 3 to 8 students who haven't yet signed up, please see Mr Chapman at playtime in room 11. Yeah! Oh,
that
wasn't
wrong.
good.
Okay, a reminder about some grassy areas around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Most students are thinking carefully about where to play and making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite pupu.